In today's video, I will show you how you can download and install South of Midnight on your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Steam. Click on the official link that says Welcome to Steam. Once you're on the site, click on the Install Steam button to download the setup file. Once it's downloaded, follow the installation process as I am doing in this video. After Steam is installed, launch the app. If you don't have an account, click on Create a Free Account and follow my steps to create one. After logging in, go to the search bar at top and type South of Midnight. When the game appears in the results, click on it to open the game page. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart beside Buy South of Midnight, and then go to your cart to proceed with the payment. Select your preferred payment method, enter the required details, and complete the purchase. Once that's done, go to the library section in Steam. You will find the game there. Click on it, select Install, and wait for the download to complete. Once done, click on Play and start enjoying the game. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.